Student, we already learned about the division method to find out the square root. Now today we are going to learn what is the use of the division method. There is a two uses. First use, whenever any not perfect square number is given, then we have to find out least number. That means that we have to find out the smallest number which must be subtracted from the given not perfect square number to get a perfect square number. That means कि जो भी नंबर दिया होगा वो नॉट परफेक्ट होगा और उसमें लीस्ट नंबर में वह कौन सा स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर उसमें से सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है ताकि जो भी सब्ट्रैक्शन के बाद रिजल्ट आए वो हमारा परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर बन जाए. फॉर एग्जांपल 3250 is given and we have to find the least number which must be subtracted from 3250 to get a perfect square number. For that, what we have to do? First we have to find out the square root of the given number. Given number is 3250. We can calculate the following way in division method. 3250 is given. We have to make the pair 2 digits. Now here are the two pairs that we got. In that 32, we know the 32 is the more than square of the 5 square. We know the 5 square is the 25. 6 square is the 36. So that will be the more than 32. Therefore we will take here 5. 5 square is the 25. Remainder is the 7. Whatever square we got, again we have to add it itself. 5 plus 5, 10 we got. Next pair we have to write here. Remainder we got 7. Now we have 750. Then how we know in front of 10 which digits should we have to write? For that we have to hide two digits. One unknown digit here, 1 0. Then our remainder will be the remain 1. Then here two digit we have to hide. These two 5 and 0 we can hide. So only 7 will be visible. Here two digit we hide. Two digit means 0 1 is there and one unknown digit. So 1 will be the remain. Then 1 into 7 we have to divide by 1, that approx 7 will become. Therefore answer here in place of this unknown digit either should be the 7 or the less than the 7. More than 7 is not possible. So then we have to write 7 and we have to multiply 7 into the 749 is come, remainder is 1. Hence remainder is 1 and therefore a perfect square number can be obtained by subtracting 1 from the given number. Therefore our required perfect square number is 3250 already is given minus 1. That means whenever you got the remainder, that remainder is the answer, that least number which have to find out. Now second use of this division method. First we learn about the least number we have to subtract to get the perfect square number. Now another question is this: find out the least number which must be added to given number to get a perfect square number. Suppose our question is this 6412. It is a not perfect square number. First we have to find out the square root by the division method. First we have to make the pair of the two digits. Here while making the pairs, no need to similar digit, only two digits. If any unpaired digits are there, that should be one single digit. Now 64, we know the square of the 8 is always equal to the 64. That's why 8 we have to written here. 8 into 8 is 64. Remainder is 0. Now 8 and 8 we have to added here 16, and next pair is the 12. Then we have to write 0. Here also should be 0. That's the rule of the division method. Here this digit and this digit should be the similar. So 0 we have to multiply, again it will be 0, and remainder will be the 12. Then here why we put the 0? Because this 12 is not a direct remainder, is the next pair we written there. Direct remainder means in first case already we saw here like that, this is the remainder, because whatever we next pair we write, then next digit we written there, and after multiplication is we got the remainder. But in this case 12 is the not subtraction number, that is the next pair. We have to keep it here any digit, but we have to write here one, that more that will be the 161 is not possible because we have only the 12. That's why we written here 0. Then 12 is the 0 remainder. Then what we have to do? It represent that the square of 80. Square of 80 means in our answer 80 square roots is there and 12 is the remainder. Then a square of 80 is less than 6412. क्यों लेस देन है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे 64/2 में 12 भी रिमाइंडर हो रहा है। इसका मतलब इसको 80 का स्क्वायर से ये जो गिवन नंबर है वो 80 का स्क्वायर इस गिवन नंबर से छोटा होगा। तो नेक्स्ट वैल्यू क्या होगी? 80 के बाद जो नेक्स्ट वैल्यू होगी दैट विल द 81 होगा। तो 81 का जो स्क्वायर होगा दैट 6561। हैंस द नंबर टू बी एडेड द गिवन नंबर। तो 80 स्क्वायर जो नेक्स्ट वैल्यू है, वट एवर वी गॉट द आंसर, जितना आंसर आएगा उससे एक ज़्यादा जो वैल्यू होगा उसके स्क्वायर में से जो गिवन नंबर को जब सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे तो हमारा रिक्वायर्ड नंबर आ जाएगा। दिस इज़ द लीस्ट नंबर which we have to add in the given number and we can get the perfect square number.